I give credit for all the animations that are shown in this video to ASDF Movie and Tomska on YouTube. I'm too tired! I need the big goldfish! The big goldfish? The big goldfish! I'll do what I want! It's
The Science Show!
Hello, viewers of
The Science Show!
This is
The Science Show!
Whoa, you're not going anywhere. Whoa! Today we're going to be learning about Newton's first, second, and third law. Newton's first law says an object at rest will remain at rest until acted upon by an unbalanced force. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This law is called the law of inertia. Newton's second law is saying that acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. Then what this law is saying is that it takes more force to push a heavier object than it does to push a lighter object. Newton's third law is really catchy. It's for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. But what that means is that every time you push something, it really pushes back, even the ground. So for Newton's first law, we've got some examples for you. Like for the first demonstration, if I take this knife, and I chuck it at this guy's face, in this example, an object in motion, being the knife, remains in motion. You see how it's flying without anything pushing it. It's flying by itself. Because it's an object that's in motion, and it's remaining in motion, until acted upon by an unbalanced force. His law also says an object at rest will remain at rest, until acted upon by an unbalanced force. Get your lazy butt off the couch and get alive! Ow! Holy Moses! Ugh. It's the same reason why if you take this box and you fill it up with a bunch of junk and then you push it, it's harder to push at the beginning, but once you get going it's really easy to just move along. Basically what Newton's second law is saying is that when an object is lighter than another object, it's easier to push. But when an object is bigger and heavier than another object, it's really hard to push. Here's an example to show you what I mean. Dog, easy to push. Bailey, not so much. Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Take a look at this example here. With here, there's a force coming out of the rocket that is pushing down this way, which is propelling the rocket up this way. And now it's switching. The force is oh gosh, no, stop that. Another example is with these idiots, they've got fire extinguishers. And with these fire extinguishers, they're exerting a force out that way, and it's propelling them that way. Here's yet another example of Newton's third law. You see a force is acted upon, and just look at it.
When I grow up, I want to go to the moon!
Why wait?
And those are Newton's three laws.
The end.
Could someone untie me? Anyone?